How to link your Subway Surfers account to Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about linking your Subway Surfers account to your Facebook application. So now let's get started. To link your Subway Surfers account to your Facebook page, follow the steps. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Subway Surfers application on your mobile device and it's updated to its latest version. Now simply launch the application. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner. You will see the option of Connect, which will help you save your progress and restore it on multiple devices. Locate the option of Facebook, and there you will see the option of Connect. As I already connected my Facebook account to my Subway Surfers account, it's indicating to disconnect, but in your mobile device you will find the option of Connect. So tap on it to connect with Facebook, and you will be prompted to sign into your Facebook account, and note that you need a Facebook account to proceed. Once signed in, you may see a prompt from the Facebook app asking for your permission to connect. After successfully linking your accounts, you will receive 5,000 gold along with a new character and a character portrait. It's as simple as that. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.